What's going on? It's crazy. It's gonna be my first stream. There's nobody here, and I haven't posted a video in such a long time, so I just decided I'm gonna start streaming. Just because it's so much easier that I don't have to do the editing. Because the hardest part about this whole thing is the editing. So yeah, so I just said I'm gonna start streaming. It's my first stream, so I gotta kind of figure out how this all works. But I can also share my screen. This is actually freezing. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Okay, so I can share my screen and yeah, and I'm working. So the thing is, I'm working anyways, and I'm building all these things that I'm working on. And now I don't have to worry about the like part of, me having to create the video and edit the video. And, these streams, this is my first one. So going forward, I guess I'm just gonna stream. I'm just gonna stream because I do the work. A lot of people have been asking me, "Yo, Glow, like, when are you gonna post your next video?" And I'm like, bro, like, it's so much work. Like, working a full-time job, and then where have you been? You see, this guy said, "Where have you?" Yo, that's why I'm doing this right now. I've been grinding. I can't lie to you. I've been grinding. I've been in my bag, man. A lot of things happened with life as well, so you abandoned your fans. I did not, bro. I did not. I'm actually, I've been cooking. I've been cooking for you guys in the background. It's just life happened, man. Like life happened. I've been building my app and my project, and so happy you're good. But I'm good, man. I can't lie to you, man. I think the part a lot of people sleep on is the mental health part. Like it's not easy. You know what I mean? Like when you're building a business and you're working a full-time job, it's not easy. And I moved city, if you notice, I'm in a different place. I moved city for all the way from, where I was at the past. So I moved to a new city, got a new job, still obviously working on my business and everything like that. So I can't lie to you, doing that and trying to run a YouTube channel is hard. That's the part. Like I saw all of you saying, "Yo, Glow, where you at? Yo, Glow, what's the word? Yo, Glow," and I keep procrastinating, and then today I was like, "Yo, fuck it, fuck it. Let's get on here and just get live and just do it live." Because the thing is, like, I've been doing, like, I'm literally, as I'm talking right now, I'm literally building an app right now. I'm literally working on an app, and I was like, you know what? I'm actually doing the work in the background, and why not just do it, live? And I think that's the strategy I'm going to take, because it's so much work to try to like edit right after work, make a video and then try to edit it. And I was giving you guys value, man. You guys can't lie. I was giving you guys value for, a lot of videos, bangers on bangers, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Like, for example, I think I made one 3-hour video. That 3-hour video took me at least like 1 to 2 weeks to edit. So yeah, but yeah, so I'm just gonna be showing everything here on live. It's my first one, so I'm gonna figure it out as we go. If you have any questions, let me know. I've scaled Train AI to some pretty good numbers. I can't lie to you. Like so if I'm gonna share my screen here and kind of show you what Train AI has kind of turned to. If I can share my screen. So since when I was sharing everything, we've scaled Train AI. Now we have a Facebook page that has over, I'll just show it because I can say it right now and you won't believe me. So I'm gonna just show it. So just give me a second. I'm gonna share my screen right now and then I'm gonna just show it because it's crazy. We've been putting in work. So let me know if you can see my screen. This is actually freezing. I bet. So if I search up here, Train AI app, you will see, I don't know if you've, my last video and stuff. Look at the reviews, dog. We've been putting in work. And then that's for the Android version. And then if we go to the iOS version, you can see here we have over 55 reviews, which it doesn't look like anything, but it was a lot of work to get it there. Now, this is in Canada alone. So if we look at the United States, I cannot see that here. But in the United States, I don't know if you're in the United States, but in the United States, you see that it's about, I believe, 100 and something or 200 and something. I can't remember. But another thing I want to mention though is the social media. I've been really, really grinding the media side of things, man. So if I go down to Train AI fit, like this is the part where I think I've just been really, really cooking on. So you see the Instagram account here, for example. The Instagram has should have about like, yeah. So the Instagram is about like at 83K followers. To YouTube, and remember the YouTube is monetized as well. Oh god, my connection. And if you look here, the YouTube is monetized, and I think that's really where I can't lie, making. But if you see here, the YouTube is at 62,000 subscribers, and just for reference to show you guys how YouTube has been really cooking for me. This one video right here made me like $3,000 plus. And at the end of the day, this is obviously to market the app. So really in doing YouTube, it low-key pushed me away from just app. And I started to really get into like, content creation on YouTube. And I'll get into that as well later on. And then if I go here, I go to Facebook. Facebook is the one that shocked me. And I'm giving you free game as usual right now. I'm giving you free game. So Facebook actually pays just like YouTube does. Now, it's hard to get monetized on Facebook, but they pay, and they pay well. And I was shocked. I didn't even, I was doing Facebook just kind of like, whatever. But come to find out, they do really well, and they pay really well, So if we go here, Facebook blew up. So Facebook, this is our Facebook account. Look at that. 86,000 followers. Facebook got me so many downloads, it's not even funny. Like Facebook got me so many downloads, it's not even funny. I can't even lie to you. And it's a sleeper. Facebook is a sleeper, man. So if there's anything you would take here, as the only person, I'm giving you free game right now, is don't sleep on Facebook. Take Facebook very, very, very seriously, because it can, because the cool thing about Facebook is you can add the link to your app in the reels. So if you get a reel that hits 10 million views, this is free game, bro. This is actually free. I shouldn't be sharing this, but you're the only one here. So I'm just giving you free game. If you have an app and you have a Facebook page and you post, let's say, a video that does 10 million views, you can add the link to your app in the description. Not even in the description, in the title. So people literally can watch the video and see the link to your app and click it and go download your app. So think about how much traffic you can get. So I was able to get, at some point I was getting like 100 to 200 downloads per day from Facebook. Per day. I literally went through all my videos and added the link to my app on there. So that's something cool to keep in mind. And then so I've been whole now. YouTube, wow, I'm the luckiest man alive. Things, bro. Yeah, bro, that's free game. No, seriously, and a lot of people don't know that. Like, I promise you, that is free game. Like, if there's anything, as usual, I always drop bangers and value. And I'm like, if there's anything you're gonna take from this stream, is that on Facebook, you can add the link to your app to the reels. And it's a hack. I don't know. It's like nobody is talking about it. Either people, I don't know. I actually don't understand it, because it's like the easiest way to push traffic to your app. If you can get a Facebook page that is doing really well, doing really good numbers, like it's like a no-brainer. Like, think about it. If you get a page that you're able to consistently make, I don't know, 100 million views per post, you don't need, not like Instagram where you have to direct people to click the link in the bio or stuff like that. On Facebook, you can literally add the link in the description, in the title. So that's how I was able to scale the app like crazy. Like those 10K on Android, you saw all organic. Everything I've done on my app so far is organic. Now, there's people that do better than me and have their own strategies and stuff. I'm just sharing what I did that worked for me. And so that's really what Train AI is. But since Train AI, I've actually built three more apps, actually two more. One more I did share it here actually. So the one more app that I built was the budgeting app, which I made a video on. That's a 3 hour video. So that 3 hour video, that app is still on the App Store. I actually sent an update a few months later, just because I felt like I wanted to make it free, wanted it usable. So I actually sent an update, make sure there was no bugs and stuff like that. So I had that fixed. And then I built another app, which is this one I'm actually working on right now. It's a dental app. I'm literally giving you my juice. But yeah, I'm building a dental app right now. It's not a competitive niche. It's not a competitive niche, and it's like a slept on niche. And I have like a content strategy that I'm using to, push traffic to the app. So I have an editor that I pay like $5 per video every single day. Now it gets expensive over time, but if the content works, you literally just post the content across everything. So, excuse me, it takes time to build that momentum and get the account big, but you're looking at like you build it up to like, post it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, X, literally everywhere. Posted. There's no way you lose. And that was how I was able to figure out about Facebook, because I was just posting on everything, the same content. And then Facebook took off. I was like, oh shit. All right, what about Facebook? And then they pay you. That's the craziest part. So I'll give you, for example, on YouTube, this is weird. On YouTube, I've probably made more money than I have on my app from YouTube. And it was indirectly. It was from trying to market the app. And I saw, whoa, wait a minute. YouTube actually pays well. And then post that same content on Facebook. And I was like, wait a minute, Facebook actually pays well. So it's like, it was an interesting experience the last few weeks, months. But yeah, that's where we are. I definitely need to make a video, kind of like an update video and everything like that. I think the easiest way to make money online is YouTube. I would stand by that. I think the easiest way to make money online right now is YouTube. And then the second easiest way to make money online right now, probably app. But what I'm doing, and this is again free game, is I'm literally trying you build an app. Actually, no, don't build the app first. You create the content first. This is the way to validate your idea. So in this case, for the dental app, for example, what we did was for like 2 months, we were literally posting content about dental topics for 2 months plus. Like, how the editor paid him $5 per video for 2 months straight. I think like $300, whatever that was, whatever the math comes. I can't. Jeez, let me do the math right now because I don't want to. 5 times 60, yeah, $300. $300, and then TikTok took off. YouTube is doing pretty decent. Facebook started taking off. Instagram is in whatever. But now I had 3 accounts that literally was around the topic. And then I went and I built the app and then deploy the app. And after I deploy the app, I used, the social media account to market the app, So, yeah. So now I'm thinking, what should we talk about? Because live stream is crazy. So you guys need to tell me, what you want to know though, because I'm giving free game right now. I'm about to give you free game. So any questions you have, good news here is you don't have to watch a video and comment on the video and stuff. You can do it in real time, and I'll reply to any questions you have. Be it so, like literally the strategy I'm doing right now is I have a media studio and I have an app studio, and I'm literally building apps and using the media studio to market the app pretty much. So I have editors and animators, script writers, and they're all just making content for different niches, different topics. And then I come to my side from my end and build an app around that topic and just use those content and those pages to market the app. And I think that's like, if you can figure that out and get that to work well, that's like that's a freaking cheat code. It's a cheat code. So yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at right now. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I am, as we speak, working on literally updating this app right now. So I'm improving the UI UX of the app. It's a dental app that uses, I'm giving you a free game right now, dog. But it's a dental app that uses AI to analyze your teeth and give you kind of like, if you have cavities, plaque, and all those type of things, just by taking an image of your teeth, and then it would analyze it and so on. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. So if you have any questions, let me know, man. If you have any questions, put it in the chat. If there's anything you want me to talk about, put it in the chat. If you want me to share my experience, because it's been almost a year since I, have posted a video, but I obviously have been still working and grinding, and there's a lot of reality that I could also share. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And that's a great tip for distribution: first, then build. Yes, bro. That's the biggest, I think, like, because the thing is, when you know how you can distribute, the app is the easiest part. I'll be honest with you. Building the app, although it's like, hard, it's the easiest part, especially now with AI, right? Building an app, like, dude, I can help you build an app in like an hour. Okay, maybe honestly, yeah, and probably in an hour. Like, if I walk in, I want to build an app for the maternity niche target in West Africa. What tech stack do you recommend? When technical builders, my concern are native features, scalability, security. Yeah, okay. Tech stack. Personally, I would always recommend to use React Native Expo. Like, it's the easiest, simplest, and it has so much documentation and such a big community that it's just going to help you. It's just going to make things so much easier for you. So I would say, number one, React Native Expo for your tech stack, to develop the app. It's cross-platform, right? So you can literally use the same code base and deploy it for Android as well as iOS. So React Native Expo for one. And then Fire. Actually, I'm gonna write this down. I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's do this. So number one would be React Native Expo. So yeah, React Native Expo. And then number two would be Firebase. Now, this is what I use. I'm just sharing what I use. You could do whatever you want. It's up to you. Firebase. And then under Firebase, you have Firebase functions. You have real-time database. You have, sorry about that. Scratch the first one, the second one, sorry. Here you could use Firestore. And I know to you, obviously, as you said, non-technical, but just hang with me here, because this is the information you're going to provide to ChatGPT. Yes, you don't have to be technical to know these, but it makes it easier for ChatGPT when you say, hey, these are the tech stack I want to use, and make sure you follow these. It just makes it easier for you. So Firebase functions, Firestore, and then the last one is authentication. And all these are available in Firebase. And then for monetization, you could use Revenue Cat. That's, unless I'm missing something, that's all you need. And then if you want to integrate AI into your app, you can use OpenAI. So just add that there. OpenAI. And then to build the app, Cursor. I love Cursor. Like, it's held it down since day one. I've been using it since day one. And it's held it down. So I just keep using it. So that's really all you need. And then, yeah, so you take this, give it to ChatGPT. Do you build your app using Lovable? I don't. No, I do not. Like, I build all my app using Cursor. Like, I literally, as we speak right now, have a Cursor like IDE, right, on my other computer. And I find Cursor, I've been using it since day one. Since the very first day Cursor came out, I've been using it, So That's really what I use. So I use Cursor to build the app. You build it on React Native. Use Firebase for the backend. Use RevenueCat for the monetization. Use OpenAI for the AI. Yeah, for the AI. So OpenAI stores the data, sorry, the APIs in the function. The database is Firestore. The authentication is this, and then so with the authentication, you could use email password. You could also use email password. You could use Apple login as well, or Apple authentication. You could also use Google authentication. So that's really up to you, whatever you want, to be honest with you. But yeah, that should answer your question. Do you have any more questions for me that I can answer and help? Do you? And now Cursor is not free, by the way. I don't know actually what their free tier looks like. It's probably limited, but I think the big thing, if I were in your shoes and like you're not trying to spend any money and not trying to, you're just trying to get this done as quickly as possible, I would say write all these down, put it in ChatGPT, say, hey, I'm trying to build literally what you just put in the chat. I want to build an app, this, targeting West Africa. This is the tech stack I want to use. And you name all these down and then send, and then say, show me step by step how I can do that, right? Step by step how I can get that done, and it will do that. Now, one thing you did mention, you said your concern is native features. So React Native does support a lot of native features, but if you really want the app to be just native, then you might have to use the native iOS and Android language. So iOS would be Swift, Android would be Kotlin. So yeah, so you could do that. What's the next question? Scalability. Scalability, you could scale an app that is built with React Native easily. Like at the end of the day, like the how scalable your app is depends on how good your architecture is, right? Your planning. And I think all my videos, I always mentioned this, was like really, really taking your time in planning your app, really, really taking your time in planning your project, because when you do that, it just simplifies everything for you. It makes everything significantly easier for you. So yeah, that's what I would do if I were in your shoes. I would literally take the time to really say, okay, this is what I'm trying to build. This is exactly, you should know exactly how many screens there are, what every feature is, what all your tech stack is, how the users are actually going to use the app, what their user story is going to be like. Like you should spend probably majority of the time writing the detailed documentation of what your app looks like. And you don't have to be technical to do that. You just have to be willing to put in the time and the work. And if you do that well enough, the building the app part is the easiest part. Yeah, the building the app part is the easiest part. So yeah, I mean, quick question for you. Is this your first app that you're trying to build? Or is this like, because I do have a video, even though it's outdated, I do have that 3-hour video that should be able to help you build and deploy your app from start to finish. Like I had literally the whole process on iOS, though, just iOS. I don't think I did Android, but I literally had my last video was a banger of 3 hours of me sitting there and showing you guys how to build an app and deploy the app to the App Store and get it approved. So, if you have time and this is your first app and you're trying to get it done, just go on, go on YouTube, watch that 3-hour video and show you everything you need. And if you have any questions, I'm going to try my best to do this every day for at least, a couple minutes. I don't know, like, just because I feel like I need to start doing this to start kind of like forcing myself to make these videos, because I think I was providing value to a lot of people and I liked it. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed when people, were actually building stuff and they were asking questions and they wanted help and all these things. And we were helping them. And we had the group chat where we're helping each other grow and build stuff. And I feel like I've been building all these things in the back end that I was building all these things in the back end and I wanted to share it, but I wanted to lock in. It's like, and then I had personal stuff going on, like I think it's the part a lot of people don't talk about is like in the journey of like trying to achieve something or build something. There's like the mental health part. Like there's the part where, you lose relationships. There's the part where you want to switch cities. There's a lot of like parts that people don't really talk about. There's a reason why, they say to be successful, the more stress you can deal with, the more successful you become. Like literally, the more stress you can deal with means the more successful you can be. So like an Elon Musk, for example, he's not Elon Musk because he's Elon Musk. It's because you can't comprehend the amount of stress that man goes through every day. You can't, because like, and I wouldn't even want to be in his shoes. Most people say, oh, they would want to be that rich. No, you don't. Like the amount of stress, and mental stuff that you kind of have to be like, no matter what, you still have to get the job done because people are dependent on you and stuff like that, right? So that's the part a lot of people don't talk about. So when you see all these gurus and all these people online sharing all these like whatever, and you're like, oh, you want to be like them, be very careful because you don't know what people are going through in behind closed doors, and so what I would say is just focus on your grind, man. Just focus on your grind, focus on your bag, focus on what you're building. The key is as long as every single day you're better than you were yesterday, that's all that matters. Hi, Gloden. Yo, what's the word, Lars? How are you doing, bro? Yo, it's been a long time. That's yo, what's the word, man? It's been a long time. It's been a long time. That's crazy. How you been, man? Yo, we should connect for real. We should connect. It's my first app. Long time no see, man. Yeah, bro. It's been a very long time, bro. We should definitely connect. It's like I know you've been doing your thing, man. I've been doing my thing too, but yeah, we should connect, man. I've been MIA for such a long time, and I just decided today I'm just gonna go online and just get it done, and just get it done. And just that's why I just always get live because I haven't made a video in a very long time. So I just always go live and just share some value, But Lars, no, for real though, Lars, we should connect, man. I have a lot of good updates for you, and I would love to hear, your updates as well. I think we worked really well together for a long time, and I think, we can definitely continue that or whatever. So yeah, hit me up, man. Hit me up for real. And Ayun, I'm not sure how I pronounce your name, but to get the video, it's on my channel. It's literally the 3-hour. It's the longest video on my channel. It has everything step by step, how to build an app, how to architecture the app, how to build the app, and how to deploy the app. My sister is calling me. So, okay, I would check your YouTube channel for the trial. Yes, so do that. And that should be able to help you. My sister's calling, so I'm gonna have to tell her I'm live right now. Just give me a second, just 2 seconds. Yo, what's the word? I'm on live right now. I'm gonna have to call you back, yeah?
You're what?
I'm on live right now.
You're on live?
Yeah, I'll call you back later, okay?
Okay, how later?
Say, like, if, I don't know, do you need me right now?
Yeah, I have like a quick question.
All right, my sister is on the call right now. I can't let my sister go, So what's up? What's the quick question?
Hi, guys.
Oh, she says hi. Say hi to the stream.
Hi, guys.
That's my sister. She's also doing her engineering degree right now, and I'm on her because I gotta make sure she's really taking school seriously. She's in school right now, so I gotta make sure I'm there for her. So what's up? What's going on?
So, but then when you bought me my laptop.
Yeah.
Yeah, my 7K laptop.
Did you lose your laptop? Yo, I bought this girl a laptop for a gift for her to go to uni. There's no way you.
No. Did you get a warranty for it?
Did I get a warranty for it? I don't think I did. It was from Best Buy, but I don't think I did. No.
You're good.
Are you okay? Just check your channel. 3-hour video is not there. 1 sec.
I'm just wondering.
I'm gonna have to check that out. Yo, sorry, give me a second, okay?
Okay, I'm just
Yo, just give me a second. I'm gonna check that right now. I'm pretty sure I have a 3 hour video there. Maybe it's not 3 hours. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Let's connect this weekend. Yeah, Lars, we should definitely connect, man. Yeah, we should definitely connect, man. I have a lot of updates for you, man. Like I did a lot of like we've been cooking a lot of things in the background. So we should definitely connect, bro. I would love to see how you're doing and everything like that. Message me on WhatsApp. That way we remember to connect as well. Because I feel like if we say let's connect this weekend and then we're both gonna forget and not do that.
Yeah,
So.
are you live streaming on Twitch?
No, on YouTube. Actually, it's a 1 hour video. My bad. It's not 3 hours. It's 1 hour. So it's a 1 hour video. It says vibe coding and launched an app in 1 hour using AI. So that's the video. So that video literally, it's actually longer than it took me. Okay. So the reason I said 3 hours is because it took me 3 hours to make the video or 4 hours or whatever. And then I edited it down to 1 hour. Edited all obviously the parts I didn't need and everything. So that's why I was saying 3 hours. But that's to show you how long. And this took me like 2 weeks to edit too. So yeah. But anyways, Sarah, can I call you back in like a few minutes?
Because you just said, did you get Owenty or not?
I don't think I did. I don't think I you could call them and ask.
Okay.
Do you have the receipt?
I left this receipt in Montreal. But did they give you an email of it? Like, so kind of send those on email.
They didn't send me. They definitely send me. I don't think.
Have it under his number or like his name.
New vision, new goals. Yeah, Lars. Yeah. Here, I'll text you.
I'll call it. Thank you.
All right. Bye. I love you.
Thank you. Bye. I love you.
But yeah, so as my sister, I have to pick up, man. I can't, like, I always gotta be there for her no matter what. But yeah, it's a 1 hour video. And yo, Lars, like, what's the word though, yo, Lars? Like, what's going on? Like, I need an update, bro. You can do it here. There's nobody here on the call anyway. So what's the word? Because I've been building Train AI. I've been building it for the last like few months, man. I've just been literally I was actually showing the account here to the to AUN. I don't know how to pronounce your name, dog. I might be butchering it so bad, but I'm trying to. But yeah, Lars, like I've been just literally scaling Train AI, scaling the Android version, scaling the iOS version. Was able to build a YouTube channel, which you knew at the time, but now it's at like 62K subs and it's monetized. I now have a Facebook account as well that has like 86K followers and it's monetized as well. And then the Instagram has kind of been revived. So yeah, Lars, trust me, man, we should definitely connect. I think we can cook something up like crazy, man. I've made a lot of investments. Here, let me see if I can connect with you right now. Just to make sure. I just texted you. Let me know if you seen that. I just texted you. Let me know if you see that. Or reply. Whichever one. Yeah, I just texted you. Let me know if you see that or reply. Up to you. But I completely redesigned the app as well. Like I literally stripped my whole app down and rebuilt it from scratch. So that was tough. That was tough. I think the reality. So some of the things I learned the last like year or so, because I built the app in 2024 and just kept trying. And you know, the UI wasn't great. I think so. This is for Ion, I think that's how you pronounce your name. The biggest thing I'm gonna tell you, Doug, if you're building your app, just do it. Like there's no perfect way to prepare. There's no way to be ready. There's no way to know that your idea is like it's not gonna be perfect. It's never gonna be perfect. So the best thing I'm gonna say is just do it. Just start and build it, deploy it. All right, we'll watch it after this live stream. Yeah, all right, Doug. Yeah, for sure, bro. You should watch it, and it has everything. And I want to sleep. I'll connect to you this weekend, brother. Sounds good, dog. Yo, have a good night, man. And definitely we should connect, man. I think we're definitely gonna get some shit done for sure. So we should connect. You have a good night, man. But Iron. So the best I'm gonna tell you, dog, is just make sure that you just build it, man. Like literally lock in, like, and when people say lock in, like actually, like, just tell yourself, yo, no matter what, I just need to get this done and deployed. Watch that 1 hour video. It has everything you need. And the cool thing is now AI is better than when I made that video. So your job is actually going to be significantly easier now. So spend a lot of time actually figuring out the idea. When you finish that, right, make it a detailed document or documentation. When you're done the documentation, then actually put it through ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to make that documentation better. After you're done, bro, I'm giving you free game right now. So I hope you're writing this down. After you're done writing ChatGPT creating documentation I'm literally giving you a flow to fucking, bro, you should pay me. I'm just kidding. But but for the record, by the way, I also did consulting. This flow I'm sharing right now has made me over 50K. Let's just say that, because you could go to a business and say, hey, I can build you an app, and this is how much I charge, and they will pay you. But the key is you have to make sure you follow the process. You actually have to sit down, do the research, meet with the business. Like in this case, you're the business, but really spend like weeks detailing the architecture, man. So, anyways, as I was saying, ChatGPT will write you a detailed documentation, and make sure it's in the markdown format. Remember that. Make sure the file is in markdown format. Take that folder, open up Cursor, put that folder in Cursor, and obviously start your project, everything, and tell Cursor to build the app exactly like that, step by step, with all the detailed documentation. When it's done, use Expo Go at first. So use Expo Go just to kind of get what you want. And it's easier because then you don't have to do a lot of the technical part. Damn, I haven't seen you for a year. Do you still make money doing apps? Dog, this guy said I know, man. I've been lacking. I can't lie. That's why I'm here right now. I was like, I've been lagging for so long. That's why I just jumped here. But yes, bro, I do make money making doing apps. So actually, I was showing earlier. I was showing where Trade AI is now, but I have scaled Trade AI to some crazy numbers. Like like the here, I'll just share it. I'll just share my screen again, because if I'm here speaking, you won't believe me. So I'm gonna just share it. So Train AI is my app that I was working on, and I kind of spent the last year just grinding, trying to build it up. So I was able to scale a Facebook page. This is our Facebook page for Train AI with this amount, and this Facebook page is monetized, by the way. So, and if we go to the content, the views is just ridiculous. So this is literally the views of all, like, what we started doing on Train AI. And I was sharing earlier, don't sleep on Facebook, man. Don't sleep on Facebook. I was giving free game here. Don't sleep on Facebook. And then our YouTube, same thing, man. We've been scaling YouTube. This one video right here made me like 3K plus. And then Instagram, same thing. We've been scaling. And the cool thing about this, and this is on Android as well. So yeah, I still, still do our thing, doing apps. I will be honest with you though, you said, bro, I watched all your videos. You're the only one that's not like a scam guru guy. I mean, yeah, like for me, I enjoy, like, I don't know. I know how hard it is for you when you're trying to build an app and people are trying to finesse you. I know how hard that is. And that's why, like, from my perspective, I've been there. I've been like everything you're going through right now. So I'm just sharing my experience, and in real time. I think that was really the unique thing, and what I really enjoyed when I was doing this was I was literally sharing as I was learning, and I've learned so much since then. I've literally learned like a lot of growing pain. Like I took so many L's. Like I cried a lot over this. Like I'm not joking. Like it's not easy, and it would be nice to see you do more live streams. I think that's what I'm gonna do, dog. I think it's it was very hard to do the videos because you guys, if I'm being honest, and since you made a video, so much has changed with AI. A lot of people have started making their own SaaS and apps now. Yeah, bro. So yeah, exactly. A lot of people, man. And I think if there's any advice I would give is just, block the noise, man. Block the noise, focus on your thing, keep the main thing. And the free game I'm about to give is it's no longer about building apps. Building apps is no longer the skill. Obviously, that's like you still want to be able to build good apps. The skill is distribution. And I was sharing earlier, you want to focus on how do you being really good at social media, being really good at marketing. You don't have to be good at making the videos, but you have to be good at figuring out who knows how to make the videos, the editors, the animators, the script writers, or you could do that yourself if you're good at it. But that's where the skill is. Building the product is easy. You could tell me right now, if you have a good distribution and you tell me, I want to build an app for this, I could do it for you for free. No joke. I will do the app for you for free. If you come to me right now and say, yo, this is my distribution, and you've worked on the distribution and you actually have a good distribution channel, and you tell me to build your app for free, I'll do it for free just for the game, for the love of the game, because I actually enjoy doing that. But what I find is a lot of people want to build apps, want to build all these things, but they don't even know how they're going to market the app, And a lot of gurus lie to you. This is another thing a lot of people, I'm going to be honest with you, a lot of the gurus lie to you. A lot of people lie about how much they make. A lot of people lie about how much views is making them. A lot of people lie about everything. I've sat here, and so I have a page right now, and I can actually show you, I could be saying this, or I could be showing you. So I can't show you the pay, whatever. There's only two of you here, so but this is gonna go live later on. Fuck. All right, I'm gonna just show you guys. I have a page that has made me over 18K, like 18,000 on YouTube, and then I see people come on here on YouTube and lie about how much they make from YouTube, for example. And I sit there, I'm like, dude, that video didn't make you that much. And I know this because I have an account that is making me pretty good money. And people lie all the time, and it's sad because I see people lie about how much they make on their apps. I see people lie about how much they make on YouTube. I see people lie about all these things. And as someone who's literally doing it in real time, and I know I was in your situation one time, I realized that, damn, bro, so many people lie. And it's so sad because we fall for it. I fell for it. But when you do it yourself, you realize that, damn, bro, it's people are lying. A lot of people are lying. So you really have to just keep your main thing, focus on learning, and just make sure you're getting better. That's all that matters. He said, I'm updating my first app right now and currently on the review on the App Store. Damn, bro, congrats, man. Congrats on your first app, and congrats on it being on the review. And yeah, I think App Store got a little stricter. I can't lie to you. I think App Store got a little stricter, but they should be able to review that probably in less than 24 hours. That's what I found. How do you even make these 3D animation? I'm surprised. Bro, it was a grind, man. It was a grind, man. Like, it's crazy. So my whole process, and I think I was mentioning this earlier, so this is literally what my business looks like right now. My business is no longer just an app business. So I'm giving you guys free games, so you guys better be taking notes right now. So if you want to be successful in online right now, especially with apps, this is my business model right now. You have your app, right? And then you have TikTok. So I'll just say TikTok. You have Facebook, you have YouTube, you have Snap, you have X, and you have Instagram, right? You make the same content, so in this case, Reels, and you post them across all the platforms. Literally the same reel. posted across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no way you lose. It's damn near impossible. So if you post the same video every single day, right? And all of them are pushing traffic to one location. And obviously your app is on iOS and Android. But you obviously need to, that's why distribution is so important. So all you have to do is literally all these pushing traffic to that one. This is free game. It seems so easy and simple, but you won't really think about it if you and the cool thing about this is the best part. If you really focus on distribution and making great content, this Facebook can be monetized so you can make money from getting views on Facebook. YouTube can be monetized so you can make money from getting views on YouTube. Snap can be monetized so you can make money from getting views on Snap. Depending on where you are, if you're in the States, this can be monetized to TikTok, but it's not guaranteed. X can also be monetized as well if you're, I think, subscribed to X. But personally, where I've made pretty good money is from YouTube and Facebook. I haven't made anything from Snap, but I heard a lot of good things about Snap. But I've made good money from this, and all of them are pushing traffic to that one location. So, and then to answer your question, for my animations are very expensive. I will not lie to you. I would not get into animations if I were you. They are unless you know what you're doing, they're very expensive. I have a very high risk tolerance. So I took a risk. I took a huge risk. It was very hard. It was very difficult, but I kept it pushing. I kept it done, and it worked out on Facebook and YouTube, and it's monetized and everything. So, but I wouldn't recommend that. If you're gonna make content, make cheaper, better content. You could use AI as well. And then to answer your question, this is just my side hustle, man. Like, that was why I couldn't make YouTube videos for such a long time, is I have a full-time job. I actually work as an engineer. So this is an iron ring in Canada. If you're an engineer, you get this ring. So I actually work I can't speak on my work because it's classified. Like, no joke, I could get booked if I talk about my work. Well, let's say I work in IT though. I work in technology. I deal with, let's just say, a very sophisticated infrastructure from a cybersecurity standpoint. It's not building apps. I can't really speak on it. But it's not building apps. It's in technology, classified environments, and I can't speak on it because I literally could, if I spoke on it, I probably could get a FBI on my door. I'm not even joking. So I can't. But anyways, this is my side hustle though. I wish I could. Now, the interesting thing is, even if I've made some pretty decent money, like not enough for me to quit my job. I really want to get my engineering, like professional engineer designation, and I need experience for that. So when I started my business was about 3 years ago, 2 years ago. So 2024, that's when I started my business. And since then, it takes about 3 to 4 years to get your professional engineering degree. And I graduated university in 2023. So far it's been 3 years. So I need about this year to about next year, I'm going to get my PN, right? So that's my goal. It's the question. I got to go to sleep now, man. It's 11 night here in Denmark. It's nice seeing you back, bro. Thanks for the sauce. Hey, man, for sure. I'll try my best to do this same time every day. Maybe a little earlier, but I'll just do it. Nothing crazy. Start off slow, give you guys juice and sauce. If you have any questions, let me know, because I really want to see you guys win. And I feel like me procrastinating and trying to make videos, long videos, and edit it, it doesn't really make a difference, because it's like, at the end of the day, from you guys' perspective, you just want the juice, you just want the sauce. And right now I can say I have a few years of experience. And I think the difference between me and a lot of gurus is I'm giving you guys my real-time experience, like like literally everything I just shared right now is what I'm literally doing as we speak. You could go to my page right now and you can see all that, right? So yeah. Anyways, do you guys have any questions for me? Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I want to kind of go back to I have downloaded TrainAI app. We'll try it out and give you 5-star review. Appreciate it, Doug. Appreciate it, man. And if you need any thing, let me know from my end. It is paid. I'm gonna be honest with you. It has a hard paywall. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm not gonna lie to you. It does have a hard paywall. So if you want to support, hey man, feel free to pay for it. If you don't and you want me to give you access for free, hit me up too. I could do that too. That's not a problem. So, but I'm just being transparent with you. Is Firebase an alternate to Superbase? Yes, I believe so. Firebase has been the OG. Superbase, I believe, is newer. Firebase has always been the OG. I think like a lot of people, yeah, I think Superbase is an alternate. Yeah. So I've been using Firebase since day one. I know how it works inside out, so I just use it. So, but make sure you do leave that 5-star review though. It means a lot. It does mean a lot, man. I've been grinding on this for years, and if I could change anything, I probably wouldn't have done fitness. Fitness is the most competitive niche. Like I feel like if I was like in a less competitive niche and I did the amount of work and sauce and juice that I did, my app would have been making me some ridiculous P right now. Crazy bread, but you live and you learn. I don't regret anything. I think from like the experience I got, and I think the only way that I realize how much I've learned and what I like, how much I've grown is when I talk about it. Like when we have these conversations and I answer all these questions, and I realize, damn, bro, I know a lot. Like I've been really, I've really had my skin in the game for such a long time that I know so much. But yeah. So yeah. If you have any more questions, though, let me know, dog. Let me know, man. You got me for a few more minutes, depending on how much questions you have, and then I'm gonna go back to building my app. And the goal is I'm gonna do this as much as I can, just so I can just so I'm not procrastinating. And then from there, if you guys want me to make full video, like if you guys want me to make full videos again and all that, I can. I could share juice, man. I feel like I have. Do you design your UI with AI? Yes, I do. Yes. Now, this is why I told you that planning part is so important, because if you spend the time planning your app out, if you spend the time, because the UI really is user interface, right? So you could literally in text say, hey, like, this is what the onboarding would look like. This is what this would look like. This is what this would look like. This is what the flow would look like. This is how many screens is going to be. This screen is going to lead to this screen. Like if you spend the time doing that, if you were to build a new app, what would it be? What's on your mind? So Ariel, to answer your question, and hopefully I answered your question there, Iron. But Ariel, to answer your question, if I was to build a new app, I actually have already built 3 new apps. So one of the app is a 1-hour video that is on my channel right now. It's actually deployed. It's on the App Store. It's a budgeting app. The second app is a mental health app for athletes. I played sports when I was in college fairly competitively, and a lot of people don't talk about mental health. A lot of people definitely don't talk about mental health for athletes, and it's slept on. It's a really, really important niche. And I'm co-founding with an actual professional therapist. And so if you go to my app, it's actually called, my app page. So actually another update, my business is incorporated. So just a little flex, I've been putting in work. I have a bank card and all that. And it's like, it felt good. It felt good. And like I said, I'm not here to sell you guys anything. I'm just being honest, like a actual real founder in real time. Like we spoke. Yeah, my business is incorporated, have a business card for my business, have a bank account for my business and all that. Just a little. But anyways, if you go to my app page, it's called Mind Edge. So that's the mental health app for, I was going to show it. So I'll just search it here. Mind Edge. Yeah. So it's a mental, you quick as fuck. Yeah, bro. So I built that. So this is let's see. It's the first one there, but you could see if you go, yeah, if you go there, you could see it. You can't see right now, but it's on my page. And then the second one is, or the third one, I guess, is a dental health app, a dental oral app. So that's a slept on niche. And I probably shouldn't be sharing this because I don't really have much competitors and I'm trying to be the number one in the game right now. And I'm literally giving you guys free game right now. And so if any of you end up being my competition and beating me, just make sure you save me some juice, okay? But I do have a marketing strategy for that. I did validate it first. So I actually created the content first for months before I ended up creating the app. So actually for like 2-3 months, we were posting content. And then finally, I actually deployed the app like about last month. Yeah, actually, yeah, I think I deployed the app last month. So it's actually a new app, actually. Yeah. So right now in my app studio, I have 4 apps. So Train AI, Oral Fix, Mind Edge, Budgeting app. And I'm gonna probably think of another app I'm gonna build, but for me, building the app is no longer hard. It's easy. Like if I wanted to build an app right now, if I lock in for a week, 2 weeks of just pure hard labor, I can build an app easily. But distributing the app is the most important part. So I won't build an app unless I know how I'm gonna, like, content that's consistently gonna go viral for that app, right? And that's the strategy I'm using now. So yeah. And right now my goal is to continue to kind of keep building Train AI, keep building like, I think the 2 key thing is the app studio and the media studio. Your media studio's whole job is to market your app. And if you can consistently make good content, viral content, and then somehow figure out a way to integrate your app into it, you're literally killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So as we're speaking right now, I'm looking at my YouTube. I can't, like, I think I shared this in one of my videos. I didn't share the actual accounts. The problem is I can't, if I share the screen right now, you guys will be able to see the accounts, and I don't want to do that if I'm being honest with you. But you can make really good money on YouTube. That's really what I'm trying to get to, is you can make some really, really good money on YouTube. Like I have an account here. You know what? I'll see how much these apps make in a month. So Train AI as a whole, I can't give you exactly how much it makes because, like, it's a business, so I can't really be out here sharing my financials. But Train AI as a whole, just the app, I'll be transparent. I'll be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Train AI as a whole makes, so last month, let's see. Actually, I'll do the last 3 months just so I don't give you exact numbers. So the last 3 months, you can see here, it made me $2,676. So you can see it right there. That's the last 3 months. Yeah, so that's how much that made me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. A lot of people lie about their money and say they make more than they do. A lot of people lie. Now, that's just on, the app itself. On YouTube, the Train AI YouTube, I have one, like, here, I'll show you guys how much that made. Just give me a second here. That's great, in my opinion. I mean, it's not enough for me to quit my job, but it is good, like some people don't make anything online, so I'm not going to sit here and act like it's a blessing. It's passive income and I don't have to do anything, right? So it's a blessing. Freaking on YouTube, I'll show you guys how much I've made in the last 3 months on YouTube, or I guess actually let's say the last 2025 on YouTube. So on YouTube, this is how much we made in 2025. I had one video. That one video I was showing you guys here This is how much. So if you look here, I don't know if you guys can see that it has 3.2 million. Sorry, it's not getting there, but that same video, just so you guys know, I'm not lying. So 3 point something million. That same video made 2.4K, if you can see that. That's the Train AI account, right? And then I'll go to Facebook now. So that's just to show you guys the value of all of them compounding, right? So on Facebook, and that's one video, by the way. I don't want to show the whole YouTube how much it's made forever, because they're not like, I can't show my whole financials, but, and you can go look at when that video was posted and stuff, and you can kind of do the math of the other ones. And then on Facebook, so the Facebook just got monetized, so I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. This is how much it made February to March on Facebook. So I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you guys can see that, but it's $365 on Facebook. And, you know, and mind you, these are all the same content, right? So now if you do the math, so Facebook is making money, YouTube is making money, the app is making money on iOS and Android, and all the content is around the same. It's literally the same content. I'm just reposting it on all platforms. So the goal, so you can quickly see how this can scale very easily, right? Like it could literally make some crazy numbers. Now I have multiple YouTube accounts, so I can show you another account of my YouTube channel. That one actually just had a video we posted 5 days ago that I won't say it. I'll just show it, because so one video we posted 5 days ago made us. So this one video, it got 11.9 million, 12 million views. So this one video got 12 million views, right? And if we swipe, it made us 1.1K. 1.1K. Documentary channel can, right? So I guess all this is to say, a lot of people lie about their numbers. You know, like I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys, because I could sit here and show you guys all these my big channels and accounts for Train AI, and I could easily lie here that, oh, we make 10K MRR, or we make 50K MRR, and lie to you guys, and you guys will believe me. There's no reason why you don't believe me. You would believe me, because the social media presence says I should be making a lot, right? But views doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna be printing money, right? And that's what you learn very quickly when you really get in the game. Like a lot of these people lie about how much they make. They lie about they just lie, man. A lot of people like just remember, man, if people are making as much as they claim that they're making, chances are they're not even going to be sharing it. I know people who make as much as they claim that they make, and they've shown me. And those people, they're an MIA. Nobody knows about them. They're just chilling, doing their thing. They don't talk to nobody. They don't do nothing. They just make money and work on their business, and that's it. And so just make sure, like whoever is selling you a course, chances are you're the way he's making that money. That course is how you're the reason he's making that money. So yeah. So that's really what we're at right now. And the reason I'm sharing mine, I'm not sharing everything, obviously. I can't share everything, because then I'll just literally screw myself over. It says I want to start making YouTube. Just don't. I'll be honest with you, man. The best advice I would give you is start. Like, please, please start. Best decision I ever made, man. Like, YouTube is the easiest way to make money online. Easiest way. If you can figure YouTube out, I personally actually think it's easier than apps. Apps, like, you really need to kind of also get lucky. It's easier than apps. I think it's easier than apps. I think apps has a longer longevity. I'll be honest, where like over time it can really keep doing well. YouTube needs consistency and everything, but I promise you, man, YouTube is the easiest way to make money online. Like you can print money. Like I had one account on YouTube, like I just showed you guys, I made us, 1,200. That one video cost me $5 to make, and it made me $1,300. And then the next video, did pretty good numbers. So now imagine if you say, okay, well, I'll spend $300 per month, which is for 60 videos. All you need to break even is for those 6. I'm gonna just do the math for you guys. So if you have post 60 videos and you want to break even because you spent $300, all you need to make $300 is 3 million views. You're telling me with 3 million views, 1, 2, 3 divided by 60, that's 50,000 views. So you're telling me if you post 60 videos, and like if you hire an editor that actually knows what they're doing and tell them to post 60 videos on one channel, that you cannot get 3 million. There's no way. There's literally, it's important. And that's for you to break even. And obviously you're going to do way better than that. And if you're making good content and, the guy actually knows what he's doing now, if you want to really take it to another level, you can do $10. If you do $10 per video, you even get better quality videos. And it's all B-roll, right? B-roll, they do the script. You can do the script if you want and everything like that. But if you want to make money, you have to obviously be willing to lose money or invest money to make money. There's scared money don't make money. But YouTube, man, I'll tell you, start it, dog. Start it. Make sure you start it. And then also don't sleep on Facebook. Don't sleep on Facebook. Facebook pays well too. And the thing is, the same content you post on YouTube, you can post on Facebook and literally make double the money. Literally. So yeah. So that's that. Any more questions, man? Any questions or anything you guys want me to talk about? And if you guys want me to do this again more often, I don't mind doing this. And if you want as well, I could also do one where I actually share in real time. Maybe we work on something and we do something together. But I do want to drop, that way I can, push or finish this update that I'm working on right now. Literally, as you can see, because my server is live as we speak, it's literally downloading and running the app right now. You can see up here it's loading, and it should launch the app in a few seconds when it's done loading. There you go. I'm literally developing the app as we speak. That's my paywall. It's a hard paywall. Sorry, soft paywall, so I can actually cancel that. And that's the app. So I'm literally working on this in real time. And if you go to my app store right now, you see this app, and I'm going to be sending an update. I'm hoping to send an update this week. So I'm literally hoping to update all my apps this week, because my Cursor subscription ends next week. So I'm trying to run it up and finish it as much as I can. But the goal would be send an update for this app, send an update for Mind Edge, send an update for Train AI, and maybe send an update for the Budgeting app if I have enough remaining on Cursor. But yeah, it's a dental app. If you go in there, you can scan your teeth, and it will give you, your teeth or your gums, as you can see up here, and it will give you in details on it. You could scan your food. It will give you details on that as well to help with your dental. Just use Claude Code, mate. It's much better. So I heard Claude Code is better. I don't know. Personally, if it ain't, if it ain't broke, don't fix it type of guy. One of my best friend did tell me that Claude Code is really good, but for me, it's I built all my apps on Cursor. I know Cursor inside out. I don't know. I guess maybe I could try it out, but it just doesn't make sense for me to slow myself down, go through the whole learning curve of learning, Claude Code, when I could just, for me, speed is everything, right? Give it a chance. I might have to. No, for real. You're not the first person. There's no learning phase. Just prompted. I see what you did there. I I might do it. I might do it. Like I've heard a lot about. I've heard a lot of good things about it. What I do need to really do as well is Claudebot. I really need to do that because I feel like I could be so much more productive if I did that. You're not gonna regret it. Trust me. But don't do that to me, man. Now you're making me have to go figure out how to set that up. Uh yeah, fuck. You're convincing me right now. I might have to. Well, I mean, what I would do is I would finish with Cursor, my updates and everything, and then I'm gonna, you know, look into it. I'm gonna look into it because my best friend told me too. He uses Claude Code as well. I mean, what makes it better though? How about that? What makes it better? Can you tell me what makes Claude Code better than Cursor? Because a lot of people talk about it. You know, you're gonna have to back it up. You have to back it up. You gotta tell me why should I like if you're gonna be the sales guy for Claude Code, you might as well explain to me why is Claude Code better than even just Agentic Thin makes it 10 times better. Hey man, I can't lie to you, the Cursor is really good with agentic stuff though. Like I've had like a Cursor AI just run for like 30 minutes to an hour, just building with detail. I use Cursor too though. Okay. Yeah. Like I've had an agent on Cursor run for like hours. Almost every coding thing. Please work on 2026 video for complete AI to App Store guide. Yeah, dude, you're trying to kill me, dog. Fuck. I see what you're saying. You want me to work, like make a video of the whole thing? I could, yeah. It's a lot of work, man. I can't lie to you. It's a lot of work, but I could do it. I could do it. The thing is, I don't want to. You know, maybe commit right now. My problem is when I commit, I can't. I have to get it done. But I definitely. Fuck. Yeah, that could be. I guess that could be my goal for this year. There. How about that? I'll make the commitment then. This year. Fuck. I can't eat my word if I say this right now. So I gotta. It's a lot of work, man. It's a lot of work because I have to walk in, make the video. Takes like 3 hours, 4 hours to make the video. And mind you, I have to make it correct in one take, right? So I have to do one take, make sure it works. And if I make any mistake, then I have to go back and do it all over again, which I did the last time. Is this stream gonna stay in the channel? Yes, that's the goal. I'm just gonna publish it. What do you think? What do you guys think? Like my goal is gonna be like because the reason I'm doing this stream is because I've been procrastinating making a video. I haven't made a video in almost a year, and a lot of people have been asking me to, and I've been procrastinating. I'd be like, I'll do it, but then I kind of just let it slide. It should, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do that then. So what my goal is, I'm gonna make these streams, and as time goes on, I get better because this is my first one, so I literally don't know what I'm doing right now, but I'm gonna obviously learn as time goes on, and I think it's better for me. It's easier for me because there's no filter, nothing. You guys are gonna just see everything raw in real time, and if I'm gonna build something, I'm gonna build it raw in real time if you guys want me to, and I'm just gonna just have conversation with you guys and talk to you guys, and then just have fun as I'm doing what I gotta do. And building my business in real time with you guys. I don't think there's anyone doing that in real time. So maybe that's what I should do. I don't think there's anyone building a business in real time because people lie. And you won't be able to lie if you're doing it live, right? So I've literally showed you guys a lot of juice, giving you guys a lot of juice already, a lot of sauce. If you missed it, I don't want to tell you. Good, because I'm not trying to give out my business model for free, but I think I hope you guys found value in it. I hope you guys did, and I'm gonna just keep doing that. I'll do it I don't want to say every day. I'll try my best to do as much as I can every day, at least a few minutes a day, just to kind of get the momentum going. And then if you guys really enjoyed and there's specific neat things you guys want me to talk about, show and everything like that, then I guess we'll go from there. Do you guys have any questions? Any questions or anything you want me to talk about before I drop? Because I do now. I want to go work on that. I want to lock in for another few hours. Mind you, I was working all day, by the way. So I was working 8 a.m. till about 4 p.m. Got home, had a peanut butter sandwich, and got here to work. So that's why I say like it's not easy to make these YouTube videos, and it's not easy to run a business while you're working, because it's like you get home, some people just chill and watch Netflix, some people just chill and relax, and it's okay. Like it's not a bad thing to just chill, because like you just worked all day, like 8 hours, 9 hours, and then you get home, you're exhausted, you're tired, you just want to chill, right? And that's normal, that's okay. And in my case, obviously, I want to chill, but I also want to get this done. And I've been procrastinating. So I just started working on the app. Then I said, you know what? I've been procrastinating this YouTube thing as well. Let's get live. Just got live, just got it done. So yeah. Is there anything, man? I need something before I drop here. There's 3 people on here. It was really nice, man. Yo, Ion, I really appreciate you, man. I really appreciate you. My first viewer on live. Actually 3 of you were my first. Well, not just 3 of you, but Ion, you were my first viewer all through the whole thing, start to finish. And Arian, same for you. Shout out to you, man. Take care, mate. Take care, man. If you guys have any questions, anything, let me know. And I'll try my best. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll try to do it at the same time. So 6 p.m. my time. I'll just do it every day. At least every other day. So I'm back, man. At least with live. At 100% at least with live. Because it's so easy. So much easier for me. So I'll just do that. All right. See you guys. Stay blessed. Peace.